This Father's Day, you and your dad can take time to give back. Here to tell us about a big Father's Day tie drive benefiting the Salvation Army Harbor Light Center is Melanie Vieta and Sergeant Rodney Hinkle. Good morning.
Good morning.
And good morning to the Salvation Army Harbor Light Choir.
Good morning.
Hey, all right. So tell us about this tie drive. What can we do?
MW Cleaners is collecting ties, new and used, gently used ties at all of our 37 Houston locations. Or if you're a valet customer of ours, you can just drop it off with your regular garments and we'll clean it for you, and we're going to deliver it to the Harbor Light Center.
Very cool. And so folks can do this through next Saturday.
June 20th, correct. And right now we've already collected hundreds of ties, so we hope to collect a few more by next week.
A lot of people will benefit, all right. Sergeant Hill, tell us about the Salvation Army Harbor Light Center and who it serves.
Well, it's a great program, and it helps those in the community who may have been down and out and struggling with some issues to hopefully get back on their feet and work in becoming a better and a more productive man in their communities.
And a lot of the men celebrate their recovery by joining the choir,
right? Yeah, this is a great way to give back. It not only helps those who they sang to, it helps them also. They enjoy it, and they are great ambassadors for the Salvation Army.
And what does it mean to have, you know, that new tie or that new wardrobe to go on and further their life and get a better job and so forth?
Yeah, it helps them maybe get a job, or even coming to our church, our chapel services, where guys may not have ties, to feel better about themselves when you look better. So it just helps the whole self-image to be just a better productive person.
Well, we want to step aside because the Salvation Army Harbor Light Choir does have a special song for you this morning. If you've not heard them perform before, you are in for quite a treat this morning. So here they are.
Won't you come and go with me to that land? Come on and go with me to that land. Go with me to that land where I'm bound. Won't you come